Hey everybody, Rocky here. I just want to address a few comments that I saw in our last episode, especially about my wife not being able to drive a stick. Ugh, not what I said. You guys are going to get me in trouble here. Um, my wife can drive a stick. When I met my wife, I had an '06 WRX that was pretty nice, and she drove it all the time. And, that was a 5-speed manual. But I think you guys are comparing the Big Burb to something similar to that, like a little WRX or a VW Bug, where there's no weight to those things. Where the Big Burb's going to weigh close to 10,000 pounds, and we're going to probably be towing something just as heavy, maybe a 10,000 pound trailer behind it. So with 20,000 pounds that you're trying to balance between your throttle and your clutch, you're going to need some strength as you're going through some gears and really to be able to control this thing. So, it's not going to be the easiest truck to drive if it wasn't going to be a manual. And not that you can't do it. There's some people making comments like, I could teach my 3-year-old. Well, if you can teach your 3-year-old how to drive a stick like this, make a YouTube channel. You'll get more hits than I am right now, I swear. But in all reality, jokes aside, the automatic transmission is just more practical, reliable, and, in a disaster scenario, everybody needs to be able to drive this thing and be able to drive it without thinking about something else. What if I need to be shooting out the window? Not that I want to be, but there's other things that you're going to be doing that maybe that stick is the best use of your time or your attention. So just think about it that way. The automatic is the direction I'm going to go. I don't want to pull this card, but hey guys, it's my truck and not yours. I did it. Yeah, I pulled that card. I'm sorry.
Hey, you building your own disaster vehicle? Send us an email, photos, video. We'd love to see what the community's coming up with.
Other than that, really, I was really happy with most of the comments. Everybody was very understandable. Another thing I want to address too, on that wiring diagram, that is a test unit that I'm using right now, and I will share the diagram later once I'm all finished. However, those T-taps, I understand there's some concern about those loosening up. I am going to redo those and and make a nicer kit. That's only temporary. This is something I'm going to just test it with and throw in my Faraday cage, and then, hey, if the new one I make is bad, I can always take that spare one, no waste of time. But that's pretty much all I had. You guys have a great day. I'll talk to you guys later, and stay safe out there. Big Burb's coming.